Okay, today we're going to talk about adding duration time to our medias. Now here I have a story and it's made up of a bunch of different medias. They're all images, and I want to control how long they stay on stream in my story. Now if you want them to all be the same, you can go over here to Advanced, click on Common Media Settings, click on Audio and Duration, and select the time frame in which you want them to stay on for seconds. I'm going to choose 8 seconds. Click Save. Go back to your story. And now each slide will show for 8 seconds. Now if you want to have different durations for different medias, you can click into a media, click on Audio and Duration, and add a media time just for that media. I put 20 seconds, and now that slide will stay on for 20 seconds while the rest is still playing at the common media settings for 8 seconds. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this demo, and thank you for using Display.Stream.